Well, here we're next day, putting everything back together. I have dismantled that part. We had the flywheel off, put a new bearing in the center, clutch disc. This is an zetor. It's homemade to make the disc in the center, so you don't have any problems when you're pushing the tractor back together that it's not in the center. So that stays there. We put the clutch assembly on and tighten everything down. Then you remove this. You can push it back together. Yeah, clutch assembly, new push bearing. Here's the old seals. That's inside here. I changed them out. The new spline, axle, new one here. These are the working cylinders. Push out the clutch. There are two of those on each side. They are coming new. I will have them new. So yeah, they're gonna be lifting clutch assembly on here and bolt that back, and after that we're gonna be putting that back, and then we can start to squeeze her back together. Let's go. Well, that's it. Clutch is changed. We need to add some brake fluid still to the clutch and so on, to the brakes reservoir, and then we have to bleed the clutch a little bit and put the 4-wheel drive shaft in the tractor, and then we can try to start her up and see what's leaking or if everything's holding up nice. My father, we're gonna take off the crane to fix the brakes. First we decided that we should only the plan was to dismount the crane a little bit and turn the crane to one side, tip the whole crane a little bit towards that side, took all the bolts a little bit loose so we could tip the crane, so we could get this axle out, then put everything back, change the crane over to this side, lift the other side, pull out the axle. But after some thinking, this crane is so heavy and such on, so we're gonna pull the crane off. So my father's welding some brackets to hold up the crane. Show it.